In step 1, we need to create a new part document. So the first thing we need to do is select a new file and then select part, select mm. In step 2, we need to create a sketch. Before that, we need to define the planes for the model. So we just select dentums and then select plane, select main planes. And here have a message told us pick a UCS. So we just click here and then we just right click or this select here OK, or right click and then select OK. After that, we just click the isometric view, and then this is zoom, this is pan, and this is rotate. Zoom is for zoom in, zoom out, and then the pan is for moving it, and the rotate is for rotate. Beside this, we can also use control button key on the keyboard, and then we press the left button of the mouse and then we rotate it to rotate the plane, or you can also press the control button of the keyboard and then we just press the middle button of mouse and then to pan it. And the last one, we also can press the control button on the keyboard and then we just right click to zoom in and zoom out. After that, we need to create a sketch, so we can select the sketch, or you just click curve and then select sketcher, or just right click and then select sketcher. Okay, this plane will be selected and then we rotate to the plane. Okay, now make sure the line option is selected and then we just pick here and draw it. Okay, now the dotted line means it is parallel to x-axis. Okay, we just click here and then move it upward, and then the dotted line here is means parallel to y-axis. We click here and the last one to join it. Okay, now you can see the line still join with the origin, so we just press the middle button of mouse to exit it, and then the we need to dimension it, so we can zoom out. We just click this line and click here, and the dimension we need is 64 and here is 103. Okay, we can zoom off. Now the rectangle is become purple colored. It means it is fully defined. Okay. After we finish give the dimension, so what we need to do is exit the sketcher. So we can choose the icon toolbar here, sketcher toolbar. It looks like a door to exit the sketcher, or you just. In step 3, we need to extrude the sketch. Okay, before that, we just pick this ISO view, and then we just pick this plane, and then we select solid, add, sorry, it's new, extrude. Okay, zoom off. Now the option here is delta one side and the delta is for. Next, we need to create a blend face. Before we create the blend face, we need to use the sketch tutorial. Make sure the sketch tutorial in the Cimatron document and inside the tutorial work file, and then make sure it's copied to your working folder. Okay, now After copy to your wiki folder, now we can just select file and then import from path, and then we just select the file and then select the sketch tutorial. Okay, after we select the sketch tutorial, okay, it will display. Then we click OK. After that, we need to blend it, so we just select face and then select blend. Okay, after we select the blend, we just pick this edge and this edge. Okay, after that, we just change it to wireframe mode. Okay, now we just pick the pick boundaries. Okay. Next, we need to cut it. So before to cut it, we just change it back to global shade. Okay, now to cut it, we just select solid and then select cut. We pick this one and then press middle button of mouse to exit. And then here have a message. Pick the cutting object or plane. This is our cut. After we cut the object, next one we need to do is round the back of the mouse. So we just rotate it like this, and then we just select solid round. Make sure the smooth chain is on. Okay, we pick this edge and this edge. After that, press the middle button of mouse to exit. The global radius we need. Next, what we need to do is create a taper. So we just select solid and then select taper. Here have a message, pick a plane or planar face. This is the face, and then we pick it, and after that we just press the middle button of mouse, and then here have a message, pick the faces to be tapered. Okay, this is the faces we need to taper. Okay, after that, next what we need to do is taper, create a taper. So first thing we need to do is select solid and then select taper, and here have a message, pick a plane or planar face. So we just pick this face and then press the middle button of mouse. Okay, now the message tells us to pick the faces to be tapered. This is the faces to be tapered, and after that we just press the middle button of mouse. The angle we need is 2 degrees. Okay, after that we just click OK. Now we need to round, make the final round. So we just select solid round, and then before that we need to close the dentum, so we can press the middle button of mouse and the right button of the mouse together and then select dentums. Okay, now the dentums is height already. Now we just pick this point and this point. Okay, after we pick these 2 points, we just press the middle button of mouse. The global radius we need is 5. Okay, before that we can preview the result first. If Next is about create the shell. So the first thing what we need to do is select solid and then select shell. Okay, after that we just pick uh, the open faces. Here have told us the pick open faces. This is the open faces, and then the global thickness we need is 4. Okay, after that we just can preview the result. Okay, is that After we shell the part, now what we need to do is create a step. So the first thing we need to do is select the composite curve. Okay, we have three ways to select the composite curve. This is the first one, and the second one is just select the curve and select the composite curve, or you can just right click and then select the composite curve. Make sure the faces outer boundary option is selected. Okay, now and then we just pick this face and then we click OK. After that, we need to offset it. So we just select curve, select offset. Okay, the global offset is 2, and then the flip, we don't want like this, so we flip back like this. Make sure the line is in the middle of here, the mouse here. After that, we just click OK. And then after we offset, now what we need to do is remove the extrude. So we just select solid and select remove extrude. And this line will be removed. So we pick this line. Okay, the delta. In last step we need to do is create an end view. You can see the end view here. Okay, before we save the end view, we rotate the mouse part like this. Okay, and then we zoom in uh, like this. Okay. Okay, after that we select end view and then right click, select new end view. Okay, after that we just click OK. Now we just click the ISO view. Okay, to prove it, we just select the end view one, double click it. Okay, it show what we just now saved. Okay, after that we just go out of